Hello friends, we are going to write a program to calculate in how many work days a work will be completed by three persons A, B, C work together. Okay, A, B, C together. A, B, C takes X days, Y days and Z days. That means A takes X days, B takes Y days and C takes Z days to complete a task when they work individually. The formula to calculate the number of days if they work together is, this is a formula, X into Y into Z divided by X into Y plus Y into Z plus X into Z, where the X, Y and Z is given as a input to the program. Now we will do the program. We are going to write the program X equal to integer of input of enter the value for X. Likewise, Y equal to integer of input of enter the value for Y. Likewise, Z equal to integer of input of enter the value for Z. So we got the value for X, Y and Z. Now we are going to print the days they will take when they do the task individually. I am printing individually, print individually A, comma B, comma C. So A, B, C are the persons. X and Y, Z are the days. Individually, A, B, C, A, B and C takes days respectively as X, comma Y, comma Z. That means A takes X days, B takes Y days and C takes Z days. Now we are going to calculate how many days they will take when they work together. So days equal to, what is the formula? X into Y into Z. X star Y star Z. I am giving it in the parenthesis and divided by X star Y plus Y star Z plus X star Z. The value got calculated. Now I am printing print together A, comma B and C takes days as, I am printing days. Okay, I am printing days. That's it. We'll execute the program and we'll check the result. I'm giving a value X equal to 10, Y equal to 15, Z equal to 12. So the value of X equal to 10, I mean 10 days. Value of Y equal to 15, 15 days, Z equal to 12 days. Individually A, B, C takes 10, 15, 12 days. A takes 10 days, B takes 15 days and C takes 12 days. When they work together, A, B, C, they take days 4.0. How it is calculated? X star Y star Z. How it is calculated? by using this formula x star y star z divided by x star y plus y star z plus x star z. So the value is 4.0. So individually A will take 10 days, B will take 15 days, C will take 12 days. When they work together, that task will be completed within 4 days. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.